After we got the straps all hooked up, the crane just energized a little bit, lifted me. So we can move the stands out of the way. We put 4 people on each corner. I'm there on the left side of your screen in the rear of the boat holding that corner. Feels like the wind is taking it, so I'm kind of holding it. Didn't communicate very well, so once we get the message across, she moves really smoothly. Now, you can see here I got all my fenders out. I got ready for the wall. We just kind of walked her around. Tight fit, wind is blowing a little bit, taking it careful, taking it slow. I did cut this video down from like 20 minutes to 1, so you get an idea about how slow we actually moved. So then they lower me into the old boat ramp, launch area. Over 6 feet of tide, plenty of room. Once we fully splash, my job becomes checking for water. So here you'll see me jump up on the boat and go inside. Everything's great. Everything's golden. Then she starts coming around and I heard something.